Nearing the halfway point of the last week of February. February 25th, 2025. Seeing he's here. 7:46, and good morning to you. So I'm coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals Barents on Main at my outpost. 128.8 on the CN's Barents on Main, with a very quick video lined up for you. Just had the return of the S772 51 of the 19th show up. Power low return to be precise. So then we just had a string of sand empties arrive during the pre-dawn hours. And as you saw, that made the run by fourth return to tie up for the day at the Ladysmith Yard was US44EC 2828, and the last and 50th, and also the last of the second batch of 25 of the CN3349, that was in the second slot there, because that was previously a -9, which is quite a surprise. How about that? Not bad at all. So that's going to do it for the power move return of the S772 51 of the 19th. We'll do it for the CN2828 and the 3349, and we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. It'll meet the L51981 of the 25th, more than likely at Ladysmith Yard, before she comes on to the Baron to make deliveries for today. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great day. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. See you and haze out.